Good day mga lods. Tara, luto tayo ng adobong manok para sa jowa mo nagmumukmok dahil ang inihimas mo yung manok. The reason that Google has chosen 15 March to celebrate Filipino adobo is because in December 2006, the word adobo was added to the Oxford English Dictionary. At alam nyo ba, ang Kapampangan ay nag-offer din ng variation ng adobo. It has more transparent sauce. Tinawag nila itong adobong puti. The classic brown sauce is lost in this recipe because instead of flavoring the adobo with soy sauce, the Kapampangan cuisine goes for salt instead. Because of this, the sauce stays the color of the vinegar that is used. At wala na rin akong maidagdag. Content pa more. At ayan mga lods, luto na. Tara, kaya na. Di yan masarap, pero pwede na. Salamat sa panonood mga lods. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye.